Imagine, March 2026, exactly 97 days from tonight.
An object that left its star when Earth was still a molten snowball is about to thread the needle. Not just past Jupiter, but kiss the exact, invisible line where the Sun stops being the boss and Jupiter takes over. With precision that makes NASA engineers sweat in their sleep.
A difference of a few thousand kilometers, and the whole story collapses into just another rock. A difference of a few hundred meters, and we wake up to a brand new moon that was never there before.
So I'm going to ask you once, straight to your face. Do you really, honestly, truly believe this is random? Or is this the slowest, coldest, most patient hello the galaxy has ever sent us? Stay until the very last frame, because if even 10% of what's coming next is real. Jupiter is about to adopt a child, and the adoption papers were signed 4 billion years ago.
Row. Sorry, hairball of doom. Goodbye, human ego. Population 0 by next spring. What if the stars aren't just watching us, but sending scouts? And what if one just dropped off a fleet right in our backyard? Buckle up, because the cosmos might be knocking, and it's not delivering pizza.
Welcome back to Sphinx Secrets, where we scratch the surface of the universe's biggest mysteries. I'm Pani, your guide through the facts and figures of interstellar intrigue.
And I'm Bastet, the chaos queen who turns those facts into fireworks. Today, we're diving into 3I Atlas, the interstellar oddball that's got astronomers scratching their heads. Or is it aliens scratching ours? Meowza!
Bastet, let's keep it grounded. 3I Atlas is an interstellar object discovered zipping through our solar system. But recent images suggest it might be more than a space rock. We're exploring the speculation, purely as a thought experiment, of course.
Thought experiment? Pani, that's code for alien spaceship party. Imagine if it's like that scene in Independence Day, but instead of blowing up the White House, it's just here for the cat videos on YouTube.
All right, let's start at the beginning. Step 1. What is 3I Atlas?
But wait, what if this visitor isn't alone? What if it's birthing a family of cosmic hitchhikers?
Hitchhikers? Like thumb-waving aliens? Or worse, space fleas infesting our telescopes?
Focus, Bastet. 3I Atlas was spotted barreling in from outside our solar system, much like Oumuamua back in 2017. Oumuamua was the first confirmed interstellar object, pancake-shaped, tumbling wildly, and accelerating in ways that puzzled scientists. Some, like Harvard's Avi Loeb, speculated it could be artificial, a light sail or probe from another civilization.
Beep, boop, Earthlings, we come in peace, and for your tuna cans. But seriously, Pani, Oumuamua was like that awkward guest who shows up uninvited and leaves without saying goodbye. 3I Atlas? It's the sequel, bigger, weirder, and now with special effects.
Precisely. Historical context.
Interstellar objects are rare. Our solar system is like a cosmic bubble, and these visitors punch through from other stars. Scientifically, they're comets or asteroids ejected from distant systems. But 3I Atlas shows anomalies. Let's break it down step by step. First, its trajectory. It's hyperbolic, meaning it's not orbiting the sun, it's just passing through at high speed, about 30 kilometers per second initially, now influenced by gravity.
Hyperbolic? Sounds like my ex's compliments. Over the top and never coming back. But imagine if it's not a rock. What if it's a mothership, like in Star Trek, dropping off probes to scan our memes?
That's one speculative angle. Now, real events. On October 2nd, 2025, NASA's HiRISE camera on Mars captured an image during its close approach. The glow around 3I Atlas formed an X shape, unusual for a natural comet.
X marks the spot. Treasure hunt in space? Or is it the universe's way of saying X out humanity if we don't behave?
Indeed. Fast forward to November 20th, 2025. Astronomers Michael Jager, Gerald Riemann, and Eric Prosperi took a composite image, 20 exposures of 100 seconds each. What they saw: two narrow side jets, perpendicular to the object's axis toward the sun.
Perpendicular. That's cat for not supposed to happen. It's like if your tail suddenly decided to wag sideways. Wild.
Exactly. Comets typically release gas and dust toward the sun due to sublimation, ice turning to vapor. This creates a tail pushed by solar wind and radiation pressure, aligned with the sun object line. But these jets are sideways, straight as arrows, extending about 1 million kilometers.
1 million kilometers? That's like from Earth to the moon 3 times. If it's natural, why so straight? The object spinning every 16.16 hours should make the jets wiggly like a sprinkler on a lawn, but nope, laser straight. Suspicious much.
Good point. With thermal speeds of about 400 meters per second for volatiles, rotation should create waves or gaps every tens of thousands of kilometers, none visible. Question 2. Why perpendicular? Natural processes favor the solar axis.
Oh, theory within a theory time. What if it's not jets at all? What if 3I Atlas is a giant space piñata and these are candy trails from mini piñatas bursting out? Aliens celebrating cosmic Cinco de Mayo.
Entertaining as that is, Bastet, the simplest explanation from Avi Loeb, these could be trails from smaller objects ejected from 3I Atlas. If released near perihelion, closest to the Sun on October 29, 2025, they'd travel 1 million kilometers in 22 days at 500 meters per second relative speed.
Simplest? Pawnee, you're such a party pooper. But fine. Natural option? Ice chunks breaking off a comet nucleus. Boring. Technological option? Tiny probes from an alien craft. Boom! Now that's a plot twist worthy of a Marvel movie.
But what if we've been wrong about comets all along? What if some are camouflage tech, blending in like spies in a crowd?
Yes! Imagine aliens watching us like we're a bad reality show. Earthlings, season 10,000, still fighting over cat memes.
Multiple perspectives here. Skeptical take. These jets might be artifacts, like satellite trails from Earth comms, birds crossing the field of view. The image is 16.7 arc minutes square, equaling 1.6 million kilometers at 326 million kilometers distance. A satellite could streak through.
Artifacts? Boo! That's like saying Bigfoot photos are just blurry bears. But okay, fair. NASA might say it's all natural, no aliens needed. They had a presser recently, super conservative, ignoring anomalies.
Indeed. Loeb criticizes that approach in his work. He argues for evidence-based openness. Now, documents. Loeb's article details this. He notes the X shape in the Mars image could be early fragmentation, starting near Mars 2 months prior with ejection speeds of 200 meters per second, feasible for chemical propulsion, not tides.
Propulsion? What if it's powered by catnip reactors? Infinite energy from feline frenzy. Or better, it's a delivery drone for Interstellar Amazon. Your package from Alpha Centauri has arrived with side jets for express shipping.
Bastet, you're incorrigible. But let's unpack the implications. If natural, it's a comet fragmenting, common, like Comet Atlas in 2020, which broke apart.
Atlas? Coincidence? Or is the universe naming things after maps because it's lost? Hey, solar system, need directions to the nearest black hole?
Hold on. If right now you're thinking, just another rock. Just wait. I thought exactly the same thing 3 days ago. Until I reran the numbers myself and saw the closest approach misses the hill radius edge by 0.0003%. That's like a cosmic cat with a laser ruler couldn't have nailed it any tighter.
Meow? Meow, meow! 3 meows in the comments right now means you're officially awake and there's no going back. Why didn't Jupiter get chosen and not Earth?
Okay, right now, this second. Still asleep? 1 meow. Fur standing on end? 2 meows. Ready to conquer Jupiter with us? 3 meows, plus like, subscribe, and bell.
Meow.
Meow?
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow. Wait until you hear this. People are writing letters about it, like emotional fan mail to a scientist.
Yes, the human element. Loeb shared 3 letters. First from Andrea Forsyth in Missouri, a casino marketer. She says Loeb's openness inspired her and her daughter Peyton, who now pursues anthropology.
Anthropology? Studying humans? Perfect! Because if aliens are here, we're the weird exhibits. Look at these furless bipeds arguing on Twitter.
She quotes Loeb, "Life is worth living if we allow the unexpected to surprise us." Poignant.
Aw, heartwarming. Next letter, from Andre David Eastler, a Florida lawyer into space law. He praises Loeb's courage against attacks, says it's restoring faith in science amid declining trust.
He cites stats. Trust in medical scientists dropped from 87% in 2020 to 77% in 2023. Only 1.5% of U.S. doctors do research now, down from 4.6% in 1985. Nobel ages rising from 55 to 67, showing risk aversion.
Risk aversion? That's why cats have 9 lives. We're all about jumping off high places. But seriously, he's disappointed in NASA's conservative stance, ignoring 12 anomalies. Calls for more Galileos and Loebs.
Third letter. Sergio from Italy, 40, not science-savvy but stargazer. Thanks Loeb for keeping wonder alive. Calls him the rock star of scientists.
Rockstar Loeb on tour. Interstellar Anomalies World Tour. Opening act, Black Holes Belting Bass.
But here's the twist. What if monitoring these mini-objects reveals they're not natural? Over weeks we could tell. Erratic paths for tech, predictable for ice.
Or they start signaling, beeping binary cat jokes. Why did the alien cross the galaxy? To get to the other side.
Perspectives continued. Skeptics say it's all explainable naturally. No proof of tech. Loeb himself says monitor to distinguish. The site, OVNI Hoj, where this is published, disclaimers it's for info, not endorsement.
Disclaimers? Like, this conspiracy may contain nuts, but imagine if it's real. Changes everything. Religion, science, pop culture. Aliens watching Star Wars and thinking, amateurs.
Let's dive deeper into anomalies. Rotation, 16.16 hours. Precise, but no waves in jets. Distance, 326 million kilometers from Earth. Hubble scale observation needed.
Hubble? That old scoop? What if aliens hacked it to send selfies? Cheese from Andromeda.
Oops. But seriously, what if the X shape is a signature? Like alien graffiti. Kilroy was here, in space.
Historical parallels. Oumuamua had non-gravitational acceleration. No visible outgassing, yet speeding up. Loeb's book, Extraterrestrial, argues for artificial origin.
Like a sailboat without wind, suspicious. Or a cat sneaking extra treats without paw prints.
For 3I Atlas, if fragmenting near perihelion, delta V of 200 to 500 meters per second. Chemical rockets achieve that. Tidal forces too weak.
Delta V? Sounds like a sci-fi villain. Beware the Delta V, destroyer of comets. But if artificial, why release now? Scouting for habitable planets or fleeing a galactic war?
Or just comet behavior. Comets like Hale-Bopp had multiple tails, but perpendicular jets? Rare.
Pawnee, this stuff fires up people. Like Andrea's daughter, from cosmic mystery to career change. It's magic.
But what if these mini-objects are probes? Heading where? Toward Earth?
Toward my litter box. Alien probe seeks ultimate intelligence, finds cat memes instead.
Public reaction via letters shows broader impact. Easler's point, science needs boldness amid stagnation. NASA's broadcast avoided anomalies, 12 of them, per him.
12 anomalies? Like the 12 days of Christmas, but with space weirdness. On the first day of Atlas, the cosmos gave to me a jet perpendicularly.
Anomalies include shape, acceleration, no coma initially,
Now jets. Skeptics? Instrumentation errors, natural variability.
Variability? Like my mood swings. 1 minute chasing lasers, next pondering quantum physics.
Hold on. If technological, it explains the stray jets. Directed ejection, not random sublimation.
Directed by alien GPS. In 1 million kilometers, turn left at Jupiter.
Loeb suggests weeks of monitoring. If real, origin debate ensues.
Origin? Maybe from a Dyson sphere party gone wrong. Oops, dropped our probes.
We've covered the theory step by step. Discovery, images, questions, explanations, perspectives, and human stories.
Human stories? What about cat stories? Imagine if aliens are cat overlords returning home.
And if we confirm tech, everything changes. But remember, this is speculation. Explore with open minds, like Loeb.
Oh, Pawnee, it's too much. If it's aliens, I'll bake them cookies. Or plot world domination with them. Wait, no, wrong conclusion. It's obviously a giant space whisker fallen from the cosmic cat god.
In the end, 3i Atlas reminds us, the universe is full of surprises. Stay curious, question boldly.
I can't handle the mystery. But hey, viewers, if you loved this cosmic catastrophe, like for more jets, comment your wild theories, no politics, or we'll claw you, and subscribe for interstellar insanity. Meow out!
Bastet, that's our cue.